Electric tube type AM FM radio, and the model number is T-245A, actually 246A. This is the honey beige cabinet. Here's the tube layout diagram. 19JN8, it looks like the FM mixer, oscillator, and RF amplifier. Then 12BA6IF, 12BE6AM converter. Looks like the 19HV8 may be the second FM IF, and the 12AU6 the FM limiter. And then the 50HK6 power output tube. It's got the old top hat style diode here, so I'm going to convert to a new diode. I'm going to replace this old electrolytic capacitor with some new ones. This one, it still sort of did work, but you could tell that hum was present when the volume was turned all the way down, so it was starting to go bad. The date is 6236, so it's from 1962. I've got the chassis disconnected. I need to repair the AM antenna coil and mount the terminal strip for new caps over here. Here's a side view of the repaired radio chassis. Put some heat shrink tubing around the antenna coil, and they used a cable tie to hold it up to the mounting bracket where the original bracket had crumbled. Here's the new silicon diode, and here are the two new capacitors. I got this pushback type wire from New Sensor Corporation, and it's the only type of wire I really like to use because it works so well. It's expensive, but it really works good. Here's the spool of the wire, and it's designed for tube type circuits. It's cloth covered wire that's double insulated. You might be able to see here, there's a center insulating core that goes around the wire very tightly, and then an outer fabric core, just like was used on tube type equipment like from the 30s through the 50s. One of the best things about it is you can just push back the insulation. No stripping is needed. So it makes for a really neat appearance and easy wiring job. Plus it's insulated, it's well insulated for the kind of voltages you'd find in tube type circuits. This is a 50HK6 tube, not a 50C5. One thing about this tube is that it's got a tap on the filament that acts as a fusible resistor. AC power comes into the 50HK6 and goes into the filament string, and then comes out a tap, goes into this resistor, and then into the silicon diode. So if there's a shorted diode or shorted filter capacitors, it'll burn out the 50HK6 tube because it'll blow out the fusible part of the filament. This happened to one of these radios I got when I was in college. It's still back at my parents' house, but I can't remember how I fixed it. I don't know if I tried to rewire it to use a 50C5 tube, or maybe I had another 50HK6 somewhere. I was able to replace it. So it's now ready for a test. I'm going to reassemble it here and see how the performance is. Now it's all reassembled and I'm ready to turn it on. Here's the place where the clock would have gone in the clock models.
And thanks to his insurance coverage, he only had to pay his deductible.
Let Safelite handle the insurance claim for you. Just call 1-800.
Like ours, or you. Y bendito es el fruto de tu vientre, Jesús. Santa María, Madre de Dios.
Everyday triple play, also just $29.93 each when you buy 3.
Woods boots are the best, the most walked about boots in Texas.
Also now through Father's Day, Woods Boots is extending our everyday triple play to include all men's long
campaña de salvación y sanidad divina que se llevará a cabo del 18.
And for you, just call 1-800-800-2727.
Safe Light Repair, Safe Light Replace.
Drive the Ford difference, and it's obvious why different is good. It all starts with Ford.
Atmosphere, even better food, and a convenient downtown location, then Alibaba's Rooftop Bar at the Hilton Midland Plaza is the place to be on Thursday evenings from 5 to 8. Let the rooftop breeze sweep your day's stress away while you enjoy the barbecue.
Anyone can join. Members Financial Federal Credit Union.
Members.
Not apply to business and commercial pricing plans. One of the lowest prices claim is based on Reliant Power Tracker plan located on Power.
Bajos que será imposible no tomar ventaja de ellos, y ese verano los precios son más ardientes.
My reaction was, estimate mark.
66 Ave Maria, or at AveMariaFunds.com. Distributed by Ultimus Fund Distributors, LLC.
Greetings, I'm Tim DeLauro of the Apostolate for the Eucharistic Life, and I would...
Set of reasons, whole slew of reasons. I do have the tickets to Sundays, but I don't need them.
Go on. That night, I cried out for the Lord, and from that...
Saturday, June 20th from 10 to 4 is your chance to win $700 off.
Fly this summer, then you'll want to head to the Lamesa Church of Christ at 702 North 14th for Sunlight Kids Camp. This exciting vacation Bible school.
This summer may be hot, but these deals are even hotter. Every vehicle is specially priced during the Red Hot Clear the Lot event going on right now at All American Chevrolet on West Wall in Midland and in Odessa on JDS Parkway next to Sam's. Chevrolet, an American Revolution.
Tahoe price plus TTNL. Silverado number 9037-757. 0 down plus TTNL. 72 months at 4.9% APR with a free credit off.